The PA does not represent the voice of not only my generation, not only the younger generation, but Palestinians at large.
وجود الاحتلال والسلطة فيش إلنا حياة يعني.
I'm tired of these questions, and they've been asked for so many years, and they've not brought change.
الفلسطينية طلعنا مظاهرات عند دوار المنارة، تعرضنا للقمع.
الشباب الفلسطيني اليوم يذهب للموت يظن ظنا منه أنه يذهب للراحة.
I don't feel I have the freedom of self-expression in the political sphere. Our basic rights are violated from the occupation forces. So why are we also experiencing a similar violence from what is supposed to be our own leadership?
The youth discontent is driven to a large extent by, one, the lack of legitimacy that they see in the political system without elections since 2006. So we have a president who, for the last 14 years, has been ruling without electoral legitimacy.
الشباب الفلسطيني فقد الأمل نتيجة العملية السياسية على مدار 30 عاماً. الشباب الفلسطيني اليوم يذهب للموت يظن ظنا منه أنه يذهب للراحة.
نظبط فوكس تمام. الكاميرا الثانية تمام. اتفضل الميكروفون. خليك شوي.
I'm not recognized as part of the Palestinian system in the West Bank. I'm not supposed to vote. Actually, according to Israeli law, I'm not even supposed to be here. The two-state solution is really, it's a corpse of a political project. It's not about a state, if you ask me. Because a 5-year-old can take a look at the map and tell you that this doesn't work.
I'm tired of these questions, because this just feeds again into this same loop that we've been going through for so many years. يعني, it's not gonna change anything. And what does the question really mean? What do you hope for? I can hope for many things, you know?